Who the hell are you?
Okay, so today, guys, we'll be playing Monkey Jump. We're gonna play the game. It's up there. And we're playing with all these goofy goobers. What the freak is happening?
I'm on the roof.
With all these goofy goobers.
What?
Their channels are up on screen.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Let's get into it. Okay, so our first game mode is next box. It's like that Gary's Mod Horror thing. What is that thing? Here we are. I'm gonna flash him.
Sus.
Why is that geezer chasing me? I'm a woman. Guys. What the f*** is okay, my ties are pretty missed. Where's happening? Help me! No, don't go that way! Uh-oh. It'll be fine, guys. How have I not died? How have I not died? You know what? I'm not scared! Ah! That was so scary.
I'm dead.
That's cold.
Am I actually dead this time? I broke it. I'm invincible.
Ah! Grimgate! Grimgate!
Grimgate and all the top brick.
Grimgate versus Reckless Railways! No! Why is there the builder man on TF2? Why is he making the Incredibles sound? Chat! Chat! Is this real? Why are there so... Oh!
Where is it gone? I don't know.
Are you going to the next box?
Right, that's it. I've had enough of you stupid little networks.
Oh!
You're not scary. You look
Ah!
Run!
Hi there! Hi there! Guys, why do you just not die?
I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna vent. I'm in a moon gust! I'm in a moon gust!
That's it. I'm just standing.
This is so scary. Mommy,
I'm the main character, little bro. I'm the main character, little bro.
I'm the main character!
Hey, Baba Grill. Hello, Hello.
Chat, is this risk?
Oh, I'm not the main character. I'm not the main character.
Chat? I'm gonna go through that vent. What's in there?
What have I got in hand? There's the engineer gaming.
Guys? Chat? Is that f***ing Sonic?
What the shit?
Why is there Sonic? Who's that geezer? Who is that
Hello,
geezer?
geezer. You should wreck the geezer.
Chat?
Is that Thanos?
I don't know.
Look, see Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh, why is it Chinese? I don't like Chinese people. What? Chat?
He's getting pulled up to the ladder. Chat, is this Wiz?
Chat, go down the escalators, chat.
Get downstairs.
Who the bloody hell is that geezer?
No, my dad.
Why did he look like that?
Brexit.
Bruce? Do you think he wants a kiss?
Lads.
Why is he dodging my pissy?
I'm gonna get in the line.
I really got some dads. Only got 20 sigmas in Ohio.
Guys, it's coming.
You might want to run.
Run.
Guys,
Okay, there's no more.
what the freak is this place? Who's that brown person? I don't like brown people.
In here. In here.
Oh, it's written there. What the freak is this?
Where are you?
Anime.
We're kind of getting touched by people.
Yo, bro, I found you. I found you. I found you. I found you, guys.
I want to go get Flint.
You are literally
Flan! Flan! Where are you? Flan! Yeah!
What the hell?
Just kiss him, trust. He just dodged my kiss! You twat, come back here! He's kissing me! Why are you in the floor?
My keyboard is blue! Engineer! I'm safe.
Giat! Oh! Oh! I'm sorry, I got a little distracted. Why is Bear in the floor? Time for back shots! Ah! I got stuck in the table! Chat, is this Riz?
Chat, what is
Coming you? Alright. Hi there. Ah! Why is he coming into the menu? Ah! I'm so scared! Ah! I can't escape. I can escape.
I'm gonna have to go, I'm gonna have to go, alright?
Alright.
I'm gonna have to go. They probably stand either of me or something.
There's one camping me.
Do you want me to lure them away with my super mega level 10? Yeah. Kaizina!
That didn't work. That didn't work.
Why is Bro not following me?
Why is
I'm
German?
in endless torment here. Why am I in endless torment?
What a freak is this?
Can I please go? Guys, alright. Oh, flip, he's in the...
What is this place?
Oh my god, okay, guys, help.
Guys?
Alright, guys.
Ah!
On to the next game again.
Alright, yeah. We're gonna go on to the next game mode now. Because this is a bit repetitive.
Alright, well, easier.
Okay, so
Yo,
our
it's a
next
gun.
game's battle. We were gonna do Russian roulette, but it fucking broke. That's the gun from Fortnite! That's the Ranger pistol from Fortnite! Anyways.
We're gonna do battle.
Ah, fell.
Hey, you guys fell.
Battle Royale, guys,
come
like
on.
in Fortnite.
Right. I'm ready to destroy Romeo, I saw your video on my pistol. On what's it
What
called?
the hell?
Can't imagine. Oh, flip flop. Let's
Look at the R, look here, W.
You want to team up since you're literally the best YouTuber ever.
Don't team up, that won't be awesome sauce.
Come on in.
Boom.
Bye.
Round!
Ow, I hit the wall.
Oh, here's a Fortnite shield. That's it.
I'm killing this blue person!
Stop!
What the hell?
I never liked blue people!
I got him. Get your ass over here, mate.
Man.
Stop!
What a freak. Are you two
The
teaming?
team is actually pretty good. No, I just got killed.
Oh.
Come here, Flip.
Why were you two both in the same full box?
I'm not. I don't know. Who's shooting each other?
Heaven.
You find ammo.
Chat, I'm in heaven.
I got an AK-47. No!
I've got f***ing...
Heavy sniping.
Why am I glowing?
Oh, yeah.
What the f*** is that noise? Hi, Romo. Stop edging. Ow! No! No! Guys, help!
You better lie. Man. Alright, so that's what happens when I go. Yeah.
Hello? Can anyone even hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, cool. You're my VR set, so I can barely move.
Oh, Flip. DJ.
I've got a fucking shank. I've got a fucking shank! Mother Sigma.
No. Don't shank me. Sigma ball, what the Sigma?
I'm British, of course I'm gonna fucking shank you! What? That Glock was nowhere near me!
Okay.
You guys teaming, I will absolutely...
I'm not teaming!
Because I can barely move, but I'll team.
Please don't shoot me. Stop
No, I'm
edging.
stuck in a chair.
Alright, fine, I'll let you get
Oh,
going.
why,
Sit back! Revenge! Pretty
Oh,
well, I
actual
gang
battle is
vote.
up here. No,
The
nothing.
shit.
Reload!
Right.
Uh-oh. 100 on me.
I found an orange.
Turn on me.
You got clipped here.
Dude.
What is Yanni's
Why do I reload?
I've got
I don't know.
fucking sniper! Why did it just blow up?
What was that?
I just blew something up.
Just go kaboom.
This isn't cool!
Shank. You have to find ammo. Oh my god.
Nah.
Yeah.
You an op!
No!
Yeah!
Shield? What is that, Fortnite?
I don't know what. Yeah, this is Fortnite. Hi, black person!
Is it like Fortnite? What the
Come
heck?
here, black person!
That's me!
And what? Ow!
Nah, chat. Who's shooting me?
Clipped! No! Stay away! I just shot fucking through you! Twat.
Wait, that's a bit too dark. There's no way. Is that Fortnite Scar?
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
I will.
no!
Bonk.
Theo, get him!
Bonk.
I'm trying! He's jumping over my fucking head!
Flamethrower!
Ah! He got drill! Oh wait, no, that's a flamethrower. Oops.
You got a flamethrower? You guys like a barbecue? Are you what?
Stop edging! Alright, fine, I'll let you live!
Oh.
No! Yes, Theo, that's why you're my favourite. Bye.
Ah, you should have said that. Where the f are you?
Stop! No, please, let's get up against
I've got you in my sights! Ow! Don't shoot me in the bollocks! No!
You think you're safe? You think you're safe, Theo?
No, I'm
Stand
behind you.
No!
Killing me, please.
That's it. Come on,
That's cool.
I need to
Hi there.
Wait, I'm do it. Yeah.
Yes!
Ammo!
Bonk, bonk, bonk.
That's my first time dying. Go up here. My gun looks cool. My Fortnite gun looks cooler than yours.
What?
Alright.
He sounds like that guy on the bus.
Wait, I'm still bugged. I have weird ass gravity.
I can barely
I've
move.
lost
I have
every
to
single
funny run,
battle
but I
that I
can't funny
tried
run
except
well.
the fight against. I've won every single one apart from that one against Theo. I told you.
How the hell did I die?
I'm sorry, you will. Starts aggressively edging.
What there is, Theo?
Oh my god, I got a shield like from Fortnite.
Oh,
No!
47. He has the AK. Uh-oh. I've already used an AK before. I
Chat,
like
if-
not in.
Yo, there's an-
No! He's got a fucking flamethrower!
What the hell?
I'm trying to hunt me down.
Bro, this is
Let's go.
I'm so cracked.
the same primary school as Ryan.
Goon on another goon!
No, I didn't go to the same primary school as him.
Ow!
Down
You
360
up?
no scoping.
My aim is so shit.
Are you?
How the f did I fail? Location of one weapon.
Bro, I fell so far.
Hi, Flan.
Oh.
Is that Archie? And I have an AK. What weird ass gravity?
Ah!
There is?
Ah. Oh,
Hey, Romo. Hey, Romo.
Why am I not slashing you?
What there is, Romo?
Sorry, Vicky.
Romo, I had such a good spot. No. No, what the freak?
Die! Shank. Yes!
I hit the light switch. What the
Get over here, Tom! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get over here! You think I'm... Hi.
That's what you get from killing Flint!
No!
Oh,
What is? I will say you swing, you do not die. I'm now your guardian.
what?
How did you? That was inside of you like me! Yeah!
Hey, yo! How was it here? You go up first, and I look up. Alright.
Alright,
Why can't I go through the thing?
I went back.
med kit like in Fortnite. No, please. Stop edging aggressively.
I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna stop recording this game right here. Yeah, do you guys want to do only up? No, I'm not gonna. No way, right?
You're a mess.
Yo, I'm not doing only up.
Only up.
Alright. Oh. I didn't even see you.
I'm a great.
No, but
What are you playing? Why do you have to do more?
Clips.
Only up though, because I have to sit down whilst my charge is attached to my thing, and it makes it really hard.
Just do a tiny bit more battle and then we'll do only up.
You don't
Would
have
you like Russian roulette or something? Can we do Russian roulette?
It's broken, I think.
Oh, what the riz?
Leave.
Oh my god. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat, guys. Guys, Russian roulette works. I'm literally in Russian roulette right now.
No, it only doesn't work when there's multiple people.
We're doing it last. No, it does work.
Oh, what the
it's just
riz?
me disconnected.
Oh.
I'm going. Come here, Paul.
I can't even...
No!
You and Op. I accidentally killed him again instead of you! I need to listen to your voice.
Romeo, I got an AK.
Yo,
What
wait,
the fuck?
well? Wait, what game are we playing?
This is heaven!
Theo, we've reached heaven.
Ah!
How have you?
Is this like that
How have
Candy
you-
Mountain from Animal
What game
Farm?
mode are you guys in?
Oh my god, it's
Battle.
Candy Mountain from Animal
Battle.
Farm. Ain't no way.
I'm staying battle. What? Who is this? Who is this? I'm chasing you down.
Huh.
Who is that?
This, that's Mason.
Chat, who is that?
The guy you don't know.
I like Mason now. Mason, what's on the date?
Huh?
Nothing.
Did you say we should go on a date?
Yeah, you did. No, he's got it. You got the best gun. Just juke him out. Juke him out.
Whoever wanted to
Just
go
juke
on
him
a
out,
date
just
with
juke him
me,
out.
Sure thing. Why do
Juke
you
him out. I'll
wanna
be
go?
fine.
I got no ammo!
Get him, Romeo!
Why are you two teaming?
Jump him! Get him! Get him! Everyone here, jump for you! Jump
What is happening? No!
Lee, mate, that's me.
Racist.
Oh, can we go on to only up now?
Alright,
Stop recording.
okay, so now we're doing only up,
No,
which is pretty fucking fun because it's only up. This is like the only up
At least
map in
this should
Fortnite.
be pretty fun as it is only up. I should scream a lot.
The bro just copy off my
Right.
intro.
First one to get to the... Alright, so the last one to get to the top has cooties.
What?
Cooties! I refuse having... Oh, no! Last one to get to the tippy top. Take it back all your cooties.
Oh.
Guys, this music's a banger.
What?
This music's actually a jam. No cap. Oh, I like
Yeah,
that.
for real.
With how... What? Jam like that. It's not gonna be me. Wait, I don't
You
know
guys
what
are
time is retarded.
Ah! What a grim gate.
No.
Oops.
It's my record.
Sorry.
Well, record sleep on like guys. I'm at palm tree.
Guys, I'm at normal tree at the bottom.
I'm
fled.
at palm tree. Hey, guys, I'm at moon.
That's it, I unplugged my charger.
Pay attention. Hello.
Hi.
Chat, is this Riz?
At the moon.
I just saw lethal.
Freaking hell. Flame. Absolute ass.
Kylie.
Hey.
Chat. Chat, is this Riz? Chat.
What the riz?
What the Riz
Palm
chat?
trees.
What the Riz chat?
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm jumping down to gazebo. What the frick
is
is
that?
gazebo, mate?
What's a
What do you
gazebo?
think a gazebo is?
Romo, how do you
Wait, can
not
I
know what a
just-
gazebo
Wait,
is?
oh, hey, here.
Gazebo sounds like a type of car.
Hello. I caught myself. No, I didn't. I caught myself.
Chat, is this Riz?
Chat.
Chat, I'm too scared to just jump, so I'm gonna climb the worm anyways.
Romeo, no, don't do that. Yeah, you're gonna fall. You know you don't have to do that. You
There's a
jump
trick
from
here.
there to here.
Yeah, but I'm not that good at the game.
Look, there's a trick. Yeah, you jump from that plant pot to here. Romeo, imagine you didn't make that.
Yeah,
Anyone have
If I didn't make that, I'd probably cry. First one to get to the moon has... What the woman? Flint, I was good at this game.
Well, I'm out of this game.
First one to get to the moon has a woman. Flint, one of us are gonna get cooties. One of us love cooties. One of us are gonna have cooties.
I love children.
What? When I was in
I'm
primary
out
school,
of
everyone said, where's Romeo gone?
Romeo's f***ing killed himself.
Guys, I'm out of the moon.
Wait, I'm waiting for Romeo because I feel like it.
Oh,
My senses just gone like... And it's not off the map. I'm blaming it on my senses.
Guys, I'm at the moon.
Yeah, I really...
Romeo, I'm jumping down!
No, I'm gonna miss the jump! No! No, I'm gonna miss the platform! No! Hi. Chat, is this race? At least I didn't fall all the way down.
Yo, we're same!
Finally.
Oh wait for me. I'm like on country. This game's racist.
Yeah, this game is racist.
Blin.
Like,
I got If I do that,
Yo, Blin, hi.
I missed the jump again by a lot.
why is it so high?
The thing is, the gravity on the moon.
Chat, I didn't fall all the way down.
If I make it to the anyone else is?
Mate, I've messed it up again.
Romeo's on that one, on that.
No, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. Chat! Chat, are you freaking kidding me, chat?
Wait, hi Theo.
Hi, Flan.
Theo, come here. Theo, wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you here.
How the hell do you do that?
Um,
Well, I can't do
be
that.
grimace.
No.
Stop. Don't touch me. Vader,
Theo,
you're
I'm
next to
waiting
me.
for you.
Where? Oh, hi.
What
Alright,
the
Lee. We the goats, for real. We don't need those guys. They're
Can I
sweaties.
get to here?
They're sweaty bumholes. No,
I know.
I'm not a sweaty bumhole, I'm just bad.
No, Flint's amazing.
No, not you, Flint. The sweats.
No!
Ah!
Oh my god, Theo.
Ah! Are you alright? What's happening, girl? You alright? Ah!
Yep.
Ah! Come on, Lee. Believe and achieve, innit?
This is where I died last time.
Oh. No.
What the f*** was that? Why did we turn into Santa?
Ho. Let's
Right,
go.
then we gotta... Ah! Shit!
No.
Chat!
Oh, I'm so good. Chat, I'm
Well done,
amazing.
Lee. Chat, he's a goat.
No.
Chat?
No!
Lee! Lee, where did you go? Ah! I need to get about, Lee, and make my own start in life.
Everyone,
Gender, you are.
go.
Alright, what if I do it from like there?
Right.
Chat! Chat, this is the moon! Yats?
You're not Skibbity Sigma.
I am Skibbity Sigma!
No, you know.
Start Russian
Right,
roulette.
sit down. Sit down.
Because only I can take it ages.
Sheriff in town. No.
Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed?
Yes. Frick you.
I'm subscribed, chat!
Oh, wait, you're subscribed. Alright, I'll shit myself.
Uh-oh.
It's a blank, guy. It was blank, chat. I knew it was a blank. I was only doing that because funnies.
Guys, I'm in. Who just died? Hi. Why do you have power? Why do you have power? Why do you have power? I'm the emotional support monkey.
Gangnam Style right now,
Oh,
or you die. Gangnam Style. Start Gangnam Styling.
Gangnam Style. Whoop. Ow!
Why did you get teleported?
Because I
Imagine
died.
get things skibbidied.
Romeo won.
I won. Yeah, I'm putting awesome stuff. I won.
Where are you?
Everybody sit
You
down.
are!
Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down.
Alright, everybody sit down.
How am I already dead? Bye bye.
Sorry, I accidentally shot him. Don't shoot yourself!
No, don't do it. Don't do it. It's okay.
Don't do it, please! Please! I'm Skibbity.
I didn't shoot you, I didn't shoot you.
Alright, alright. I didn't shoot.
No, don't do it. No,
He must be suicidal.
don't do it.
Don't kill him! No!
Shoot yourself.
Just, he wants to die, he keeps
Hi,
shooting.
hi, Lee.
Hi, Lee. It's Russian roulette. You're meant to shoot yourself, kind of. Russian roulette, Lee. Should I do now? Russian
No!
roulette, yeah, Russian roulette, Lee.
Why is it all blank?
Russ.
Chat.
Lee, you in Russian roulette?
Chat.
am coming back from the dead.
Chat. Chat! It was only a
Get
blank.
revenge.
Yeah!
Yo!
Celebrate good
Lee, are
times.
you in?
Come on. Butter,
Yeah, I'm
butter,
here.
butter.
Alright, Alright.
Why has he got a Glock?
Who's first going?
I'm Skibbity Toilet. Skibbity, hey, mum, yes, yes. Skibbity,
Hey,
mum,
Lee, he wanted to shoot himself, so why did you shoot him? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
No!
Get in there, get in
Don't kill him, kill me! No!
there. No. Alright, where's the gun?
I'm subscribed.
Lee, get in the toilet. Get in the toilet. Get in the toilet, Lee.
Get in the Skibbity Toilet.
Get in the toilet. Get in the toilet. Get in there. I'll give you a swirly.
What the f is happening?
I'll give you a swirly. I know it, Riz.
Romo's a murderer.
I dare you kill him! Uh-oh.
Hi. Guys, this is Russian roulette and this is what the game looks like. Ever gun? There's a 1 in 4 chance of killing the person you're aiming at.
I'm sorry.
Or here's the instructions.
I'm sorry, chat!
Read the instructions. Don't break the wrist.
GG.
You like it?
Yeah, I killed myself because I saw... Because Lee died.
Am I
What the f
spinning?
are you doing?
What am I doing?
Bow, bow, bow.
Alright,
Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Goodbye, Romeo. No, shoot me. No,
Yeah!
Wait.
Well done, I'm proud. No! Oh, no! Officer!
him.
Officer! I'll be Skibbity Toilet! I'll be Skibbity Toilet!
Died off.
Did you kill
He
Lee?
tried to shoot me and then I shot him.
Did you just kill Lee?
He tried to shoot me first.
Uh-oh, chat.
I will be executed for the murder of Rasnight. You literally shot him. Get him, Theo, get him. At least he's guilty about it. At least he's guilty.
Shit! No, chat! Chat!
Oh fuck no.
But, wait, you know,
Hi,
do you have
Skibby.
this on?
No, chat! Chat! El's in the chat!
Oh no.
Hi, Skibbity.
L's in the chat, guys.
No.
Have you got
Wait,
Skibbity syndrome?
W's in the chat. I don't know.
Yeah!
I don't
W's
know
in the
what
chat,
that is.
guys.
Theo, you avenge me.
I
You were my
avenge you,
senpai.
Lee. Yeah!
My senpai. I was killed. I was
Where's the gun?
murdered. Oh, do you want to do a quiz and whoever gets it wrong, like, dies? Quick.
No.
No, let's just do normal Russian
Let's play
roulette.
Russian roulette how it's meant to play.
Uh-oh. If you cheat, you're racist. No,
Yeah?
you're gay.
Okay. Well, am I supposed to shoot myself? I have to do a
Yeah.
video. Yeah. It's not shooting.
We're
Yeah,
playing
go,
Russian
shoot.
roulette.
Alright, go on.
Ow!
You need
to move
it further away from your body. Cowabunga. Yep.
Ow!
Oh god.
Come on, Lee!
Yeah, you need to move it further away from your body. Yeah. I know the best way
Aw.
to shoot myself. Sorry, Lee.
I just died.
Kill him, Lee! Beat the shit out of that man!
Sit in the toilet. No. Alright. It wouldn't be very awesome to kill me. It would.
Yes, Lee!
W's in the
Yeah!
chat.
W's in the chat, W's in the chat.
Why do I need space in my room?
Where the f*** is everyone else?
Guys,
I don't know
I'm
what
in the
Romeo
Russian roulette lot.
Romeo, where are you? Lee? Ah, it's fine, we can do it with two people.
Guys, I'm kind of in Russian
No.
roulette on my own.
Come on. Leave and achieve.
You said leave and achieve.
Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes
Why is the song stop?
Sure, but...
Guys?
Oh,
remember crash. What is this goofy monster? Guys? I can't press it! I don't want to get full boxed! I don't want to get full boxed! Guys! Ah! Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and remember to subscribe to all these goobers. Hi! So yeah.
I'm not that fat. I'm not all these goobers.
Like if you want the part 2, and see ya.